Why do humans have fingerprints? Have you ever stopped to wonder, why do we have fingerprints? Why are they unique? And what purpose do they serve? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating science behind fingerprints and why no two people on Earth have the same ones. Fingerprints are the tiny ridges and patterns found on our fingertips. They're made up of a series of loops, whorls, and arches, creating a pattern unique to each individual. There are three main types of fingerprint patterns: loops, which are the most common, whorls, and arches, which are the least common. Your fingerprints start developing before you're even born. Around the 10th to 24th week of pregnancy, ridges form on a baby's fingertips due to genetic instructions, pressure from amniotic fluid, and tiny movements inside the womb. Even identical twins, who share the same DNA, have completely different fingerprints due to these tiny environmental influences. Fingerprints aren't just for decoration. They serve some important functions, such as improving grip. The tiny ridges on our fingers help us hold onto objects without slipping. They also enhance our sense of touch, helping us feel textures more precisely than we could with smooth skin. Scientists believe fingerprints evolved as an advantage for primates, including our ancestors, allowing them to climb, grasp objects, and navigate their environment more effectively. So, why are fingerprints unique? While DNA plays a role, tiny differences in skin development cause each person's fingerprints to form slightly differently, even in the same family. That's why fingerprints have been used in forensic science for over a century. They are nature's perfect identification system. Today, fingerprints aren't just for crime solving. They're also used for biometric security, like unlocking your phone or verifying your identity for banking and travel. Law enforcement agencies use massive fingerprint databases, like AFIS, to match fingerprints in criminal investigations. Here's something cool, dude. You know koalas have fingerprints almost identical to humans? Even under a microscope, they look nearly the same. Fingerprints have been used for thousands of years. Ancient Babylonians used them as signatures in clay documents as early as 2000 BCE. And believe it or not, some people are born without fingerprints. It's a rare genetic condition called adermatoglyphia, also known as the immigration delay disease, because it can make passport identification tricky. So, now you know why humans have fingerprints. They help us grip, feel, and even identify ourselves. But most amazingly, your fingerprints are one of a kind. What do you think is the most fascinating fact about fingerprints? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Whyforask for more answers to the world's most curious questions.